In this video I'm going to show you some Internet Explorer hints and tips. If for some reason you can't find your Internet Explorer icon, it may have disappeared from the desktop or you can't find it on the start menu, then click on start and then run and type iExplore like that, and then just press enter on your keyboard or click on OK. Right, for this next tip I just need to go to Google and do a search. What can we search for? Right, I've just done a Google for educational technology, and say I want to just look through these websites. Now, I used to click on each link and the right mouse button and then open a new tab, and then I would go down the web page and just open them all up individually, and then I would just click through each tab to look at them. But a quicker way of doing this is, instead of doing right mouse button open a new tab, hold down the control key on your keyboard and then click on each one, and you should see they're all opening in separate tabs. Now we've got all these websites opening here in different tabs, and you just click on a tab and you can see its contents. That one's not finished loading yet. But now to see the contents of those tabs, you might think, oh, where did that page go? You'd have to click through each tab to find the one you want. Now, if you use this button in the left hand corner, it's called Quick Tabs. It gives you a preview of each tab, which is pretty cool, I think. Or we can just get a list of all the open tabs there. Now, say if we wanted to add this vector site to our favorites, well, the normal procedure would be go to favorites, click on add to favorites, and then give it a name, click add. But a keyboard shortcut to add things to your favorites would be Control and D, and it's brought up the favorites dialog there. If we had to close our computer and go out somewhere and we still wanted to look at all these tabs, we would have to go for each one and then add it to favorites, go to that one, add to favorites, go to that one, add to favorites. But a quick way of adding all of them to your favorites in one go is go to favorites, add current tabs to favorites. See, now we just give it a folder name. Yeah, let's just call it that. Now that has just added every single tab that's open into a folder in our favorites. Here it is there. Now this tip would be useful if you're a whiteboard user. Say if we've got this site here. Now if we wanted to display it on the whiteboard, I would open it in full screen mode. We can press F11 on our keyboard, and that gets rid of all the menu bars and toolbars and search bar and stuff. If you want to zoom in, you can press Control and the plus key to zoom in, and the minus key to zoom out again. And let's press F11 again to come out of it. That's all I can think of at the moment. So I'm going to close Internet Explorer, get rid of all those tabs. Yep, that's going to be it for today.